Welcome to Cars Trends, where the latest and greatest in automotive innovation is always on display. Today, we're excited to take a closer look at the Mercedes PureSpeed concept, a vehicle that embodies the perfect blend of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. The Mercedes PureSpeed concept is a testament to the brand's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of high-performance vehicles. With its sleek and aerodynamic design, this vehicle is sure to turn heads on the road. The PureSpeed's lines are clean and minimalist, with a focus on functionality and performance. Under the hood, the Mercedes PureSpeed concept packs a powerful punch, thanks to its advanced engine technology. The vehicle's impressive performance capabilities make it a thrill to drive, whether you're navigating twisty mountain roads or cruising down the highway. One of the standout features of the Mercedes PureSpeed concept is its advanced aerodynamics. The vehicle's sleek lines and contours are carefully crafted to reduce drag and improve performance. From its front splitter to its rear diffuser, every detail of the PureSpeed's design has been optimized for maximum efficiency. The interior of the Mercedes PureSpeed concept is designed to provide a driving experience that's both exhilarating and immersive. The vehicle's sport seats provide exceptional support and comfort, while the advanced infotainment system keeps drivers connected and entertained on the go. The Mercedes PureSpeed concept's advanced technology is another key aspect of its appeal. The vehicle's innovative safety features, such as its advanced traction control system and robust airbag system, provide a safe and secure driving experience. The PureSpeed's advanced driver assistance systems also make it easier to navigate complex roadways and traffic situations. In terms of performance, the Mercedes PureSpeed concept is a serious contender. Its powerful engine delivers rapid acceleration and responsive handling, making it a thrill to drive. The PureSpeed's advanced suspension system provides a smooth and stable ride, whether you're navigating twisty mountain roads or cruising down the highway. The Mercedes PureSpeed concept is more than just a car, it's an experience. It's a chance to own a piece of automotive history, with a vehicle that's both beautiful and high performance. Whether you're driving through the city or carving up the mountain roads, the PureSpeed's advanced technology and impressive performance capabilities make it a true standout on the road. As we take a closer look at the Mercedes PureSpeed concept, it's clear that this vehicle is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and performance. With its advanced technology, stunning design, and impressive performance capabilities, the PureSpeed is sure to impress even the most discerning drivers. The Mercedes PureSpeed concept's design is a perfect blend of form and function. Every detail, from its sleek lines to its advanced aerodynamics, has been carefully crafted to create a vehicle that's both beautiful and high performance. The PureSpeed's minimalist interior is designed to provide a driving experience that's both exhilarating and immersive. When you